Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Lunacy. We'll dive into their core functionalities, exploring how each tool empowers designers in the UI/UX space. This comparison aims to highlight their strengths and weaknesses, helping you decide which platform best suits your design workflow. We'll cover everything from collaboration to performance, ensuring a comprehensive overview of these two powerful design applications. Figma shines with its real-time, cloud-based collaboration, allowing multiple users to work simultaneously on a single file. Lunacy, conversely, offers robust offline capabilities and excellent compatibility with sketch files, making it a strong contender for those needing desktop power. Both provide extensive design, prototyping, and handoff features, but their approaches differ significantly in team integration. Figma's version control is particularly strong for collaborative projects. Performance-wise, Figma's browser-based nature means it's accessible anywhere, though it relies on a stable internet connection. Lunacy, as a desktop application, often feels snappier for local tasks and handles large files efficiently without internet. Both boast growing plugin ecosystems, extending their functionality, with Figma having a slightly larger, more established community and a vast array of integrations. Lunacy's ecosystem is also expanding rapidly, offering many useful add-ons. Regarding cost, Lunacy is completely free to use, offering a full suite of design tools without a subscription. Figma provides a generous free starter plan, ideal for individuals, alongside paid professional and organization tiers that unlock advanced features like unlimited projects and version history. Choose Figma for seamless team collaboration and web-first workflows, or Lunacy for powerful offline design and sketch file compatibility, especially if budget is a primary concern for your design needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.